Good morning, students. So today we will start Maths 2, that is practice set 2.2. Already we have completed till question number 3. So today we will start with question number 4. So question number 4 is given: in a triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of side BC. If AB square plus AC square equals to 290 centimeter square, AM equals to 8 centimeter, we have to find BC. So the diagram is already given in the textbook. So today we will start with the solution. So here in triangle ABC, what M is given? Midpoint. M is the midpoint of side BC. That is given. Then BM will be equals to MC. If M is the midpoint, then BM equals to MC. So BM equals to MC, put it equation 1. But BM plus MC will be equals to BC. BM plus MC equals to BC. So here BM plus BM we can write, because BM equals to MC. That means 2BM will be equals to BC. So 2BM equals to BC. That means in triangle, then another, again we will take it ABC triangle. Again we will mention M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of BC. So here we can use the Apollonius theorem, that is AB square plus AC square equals to 2AM whole square 2BM square. So write here by Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. So now we will proceed with the formula. This one is given 290. Okay. So here 2m square, 2am, that is 8 it is given, am value 2bm square. So here 2bm square we will find. So 290 equals to 2 multiply 64 plus 2bm square. So 290 equals to 128 plus 2bm square. So 2bm square will be equals to 290 minus 128, correct? So 2bm square equals to 162. So bm square equals to 162 upon 2. So what we will get? Bm square equals to 81. Bm will be what? 9. That means from equation, which one? From equation 2. So where we have given equation 2, that is 2bm equals to BC will be equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2. So now from equation 2, what we can mention? BC equals to 2BM. That means BC equals to 2 multiply 9, that is equals to 18 centimeter. So therefore BC equals to 18 centimeter. So now question number 5 is, the diagram is given in your book. In the given figure, point T is in the interior of rectangle PQRS. So point T is interior of rectangle PQRS. So what is the thing we have to prove? That is TS square plus TQ square equals to TP square plus TR square. So these things we have to prove. So let's start with that. So construction we have to do it. Join AB. Okay. So in the given, what is there in the given? That is quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. It is given from the question. Construction will be, draw segment AB is parallel to side SR. That means AB. This AB is parallel to side SR. Now, to prove, already it is there in the question. That is, again we will write TS square plus TQ square equals to TP square plus TR square. Now, let's start the proof. That is, first side PQ is parallel to side R. Why? Because of rectangle. Rectangle side definition is what? Rectangles, sides of a rectangle is parallel to each other. So, sides, that is side PQ is parallel to side SR. Then, side AB is parallel to side SR. That is, from construction we can write. So, what we got now? Side PQ is parallel to side AB is parallel to side SR. Correct? Therefore, what we can write here, BQ equals to AP and BR equals to AS. Why? Because distance between two parallel lines. What? Distance between two parallel lines is equal. So this is the reason behind this. So put it equation 1. Since what? Since AB is parallel to SR and side QR and PS can be considered as what? Considered as transversal. Okay, so considered as transversal. So angle ABQ equals to angle SRB and angle BAP equals to angle RSA. Why? Because it's a corresponding angle. It's the corresponding angles. So put it equation 2. So now, then what? We will get angle SRB equals to angle RSA equals to 90 degree. Why? Because angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. So we will get 90 degree. So put it this equation as 3. Then come to angle ABQ equals to angle BAP equals to 90 degree. From equation 1 and 2 we can write all the angles are 90 degree. That's why, that is, angle TBQ equals to angle TAP we will get 90 degree. That means all the angles we are getting here 90 degree of the quadrilateral. That is TBQ, angle TBR, TAP and TAS. All angles of 90 degree. So we will take one triangle, that is in triangle TBQ, where TBQ is 90 degree. That means we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So put it equation 5, this one. And similarly, another triangle we will take it, that is triangle TRB, where angle TBR equals to 90 degree. This also put it equation 4. After that, these two formulas we will get by the Pythagoras theorem. That is TB square equals to TB square plus BQ square. And here TQ square equals to TB square plus BQ square. And then we will get TR square equals to TB square plus BR square. Okay. Now what we will do? We will subtract. Subtracting equation 6 from 5th. So what we will get? TQ square minus TR square equals to TB square plus B square BQ square minus TB square minus BR square. Okay. So here TB square and here TB square plus. So it will be getting cancelled. So what we are getting? TQ square minus TR square equals to BQ square minus BR square. So now we will take in triangle TAP. What? TAP, where TAP is 90 degree. So from what we will take it? This put it another equation, that is A. Suppose we have taken this equation as A and put this equation from this From which equation we are getting? That is previous one, that is 4. From equation 4 we are getting this. So here what we will get, triangle TAP we have taken. So here we will use Pythagoras theorem, TP square equals to AT square plus AP square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem we will write. So here in triangle, again we will take it the other triangle. Which one? In triangle TAS, where TAS equals to 90 degree. So here same we will use the Pythagoras theorem and we will build the formula, that is TS square equals to AT square plus AS square. By same Pythagoras theorem only this formula we will get it. So now what we will do, we will give that two equation as equation 7 and equation 8. Now we will subtract. Which one? Subtracting equations 8 from 7. Okay, so equation 8 from 7 we will subtract. So what we will get? TP square minus TS square equals to AT square plus AP square minus AT square minus AS square. That means TP square minus TS square equals to AP square minus AS square. This AT square will be cancelled. One is plus, one is minus. So what we are getting? TP square minus TS square, but equals to, previously also we got what? That value we can put, that is BQ square minus BR square. What we will write? From equation 1. This from equation 1 we got. So this one we will put it as equation B. There we have taken equation A and here equation B. So now what we will conclude last, that is TQ square minus TR square equals to TP square minus TS square from A and B equation. Clear? So what we can got now? TS square we will get TQ square equals to TP square plus TR square. Hence proved.